In this video, we will teach you how to open an account at the Binance exchange, which can be used to store and trade Bitcoins together with other cryptocurrencies. Please navigate an article which is situated in Help and Main Articles section and named How to Buy and Store Bitcoins. Here we describe all popular methods of buying and storing Bitcoins. Let's open Binance website with the link from the article. You can also find the link in the video description. When we are on the website, let's open registration page. We enter all necessary data. Make sure you entered your correct email address, and password should be 8 characters long or more and should contain lowercase, uppercase letters and numbers. We also accept rules of service. Then let's pass the check to determine that we are not a robot. Binance tells us that we need to verify our email address by clicking the link inside the email letter. Let's click that link. Now let's authorize with our email and password again. We pass the robot check again. And finally, we are inside Binance Exchange members area. Read and check all important safety warnings to continue. Binance tells us that it recommends us to set multi-factor authentication for our account to keep it safe. We also recommend to do it either with SMS or with Authenticator application. Right now, we won't be doing this because this is just a presentation video. Now your account on Binance is registered and ready to be used. It's time to fulfill it with Bitcoins, which procedure is explained in the next video. Thank you.